Let's now go to acupuncture for emergencies. Let's discuss stroke emergency acupuncture. So here we can use the bleeding therapy on the veins on the back of the ears, bleeding therapy on DO20 and lung 11 points, bleeding therapy on the Sichuan points, acupuncture on the DO26 point, especially for the treatment of an anepia. We can use acupuncture on the REN 23 point if a patient lies face up, and do 15 point if a patient lies face down. You can use acupuncture do 20 and kidney 1 points, gall, gallbladder 8, and stomach 41 points. You can also use gallbladder 20 points, especially for cerebral ischemia. Acupuncture Sanjiao 18 point, and the shoulder back point too soon away from the tailbone. In addition to the conventional treatment for stroke, acupuncture should be started as soon as possible to speed up the return of consciousness, to reduce the chance of inhalation of phlegm into the lung, to reduce brain damage, and to reduce later paralysis. Thank you for your attention.